When tech companies are recruiting for new talent, new staff members in their data science team, in their machine learning, in their AI, they normally start with sending you a coding test. There are multiple platforms for you to take a coding test. One of the major ones is HackerRank. I have a full playlist tackling problems in HackerRank. The link is up the top right. One of the very new platforms that is in the market and companies like Uber, Meta, BCG are using is called CodeSignal. CodeSignal is a platform that is apparently better in the way it tests and ranks applicants. If you like my videos, hit the like button, leave me a comment, ask me a question. I am more than happy to help you. Let's go with CodeSignal. Here I am on codesignal.com, the landing page. You can see that you can look at the products, you can look at the solutions, the resources, what the company does, and the pricing. But for you and I, as developers who are going to be taking a test, we naturally want to be looking at the tab called For Developers. I'm going to click on that. I don't currently have an account on my incognito window with CodeSignal. I'm just going to go ahead and make an account. So click on Get Started. There are multiple ways for you to sign up. You can use your Facebook account, you can use your Google account, your GitHub account, or your Twitter account. I'm just going to go ahead and use my Gmail account. Once you have entered your email, that needs to be verified. So head to your email and verify the link. Once you have verified it, that orange band up the top of the screen will disappear, which is great. So when you first log in, you will see a try next question, which allows you to try the next question after you have submitted multiple questions before. You can actually bring CodeSignal assessment to your company. You can ask CodeSignal to send a link to your company to showcase how skilled you are. You can have a daily challenge. You're not going to have it first day because you need 150 of these little coins that allows you to unlock that feature. Then there is an arcade that tells you how many of 464 questions you have solved. I have currently solved nothing. Then you can also have an interview practice, which again, you need another 150 coins from CodeSignal. If you want to see company challenges, you will need, again, 150 coins to unlock. So once you've got 150 coins, I assume all the three will be unlocked. Hopefully you won't need 150 plus 150 plus 150. This matrix down the bottom right looks more like a GitHub activity log that shows you how active you have been in CodeSignal. So in short, it's very easy to make an account. This is my first video on CodeSignal playlist. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to help you ace that coding test. Thank you and goodbye.